There are no bats in Wall Street's belfry today. In case you haven't heard by now, BATS, a global exchange that competes with the much larger New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ, tried and failed miserably in its own IPO on Friday. The company started trading very briefly and then had to halt trading, eventually just having to cancel then the trades and then pull the IPO altogether. A huge computer snafu wound up creating havoc for several stocks that began with tickers starting with the letter A and going up to the end of the B part of the alphabet. So the most high-profile snafu, other than BATS, was Apple, which had a kind of mini flash crash. Stock plunged for a very short period of time before there was a circuit breaker, and then it corrected the wrong trades. This is really a very negative piece of news, I think, for the financial markets. It still shows how high-frequency trades and computer trading in general can really make life miserable for traders and confusing for the long-term investors. It's hard to have faith in the system when you have computer errors and other mistakes like this plaguing the market. So it is unfortunate. That will not be going public. To be fair, the company has been very contrite. The CEO giving an extremely public apology to explain what went wrong and saying that this can't happen again. But we've had too many of these little flash crashes, obviously the biggest one in May of 2010. Something has to be done to make sure that this can't continue happening. It really is unfortunate. It can just rattle investor confidence. And when everyone wonders why the little guy, the retail investor, is sitting out this rally, it might be events like this when you see that the computers run amok and we can't have trading run normally. It really is an unfortunate series of events.